Hi guys, welcome back to the Drive Life channel, and in today's video we're talking about a new toolkit that I actually got for Christmas 2 days ago. It's something that I think a lot of people should probably get on because it's a really good kit. It's relatively affordable, and my upcoming series on how sort of to maintain your car, this would be a really good starting point, and it's going to be the toolkit that I'm going to be using. So I'll stick a link in the description to it below. Obviously it's not a paid video or anything, but I thought it'd be useful for you guys to see. Yeah, let's get back to the toolkit. You're going to have to excuse the rubbish here, having the windows done as well. But yeah, so this is the Makita 227 piece Mechanics Toolkit, and as you can see it comes in this lovely aluminium plastic box. It's got these locks on the top as well. I can already see the comments of people complaining about the fact that I've put it on my paintwork, but she's not exactly a garage queen, and that's pretty much what the tops of saloon cars are for. They're tables, obviously. So yeah, let's get into it. So we'll pop these open. I'm going to lay it down with two hands just so I don't smash the boot up, so bear with me just a second. Okay then, so here we are, and as you can see, for someone who perhaps has OCD, this is an absolute wet dream. There's pretty much everything you'll ever need in here to do anything on your car. So I'll talk you through everything that's on there. So we have two ratchet handles, one's a 1/2 inch, one's a 1/4 inch. We then have the sort of handheld, not ratchet, but it's a screwdriver type thing that's attachable to all of these, and it's really nice to have the two because obviously with smaller sockets they are, for example, this one is a 1/4 inch, whereas this one is a 1/2 inch, so you're covered on both bases. Every socket or bit that you see here has a corresponding handle or tool, and then you even have adapters here as well, which is really nice. So yeah, we've got the two ratchets and the screwdriver here. We've then got a complete socket set, all ranging from all the way from 4, and I'll count these out so you guys can see, just in case you can't see them. They're 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then over here we continue with 15, just there. I'll come the other side actually. 15, 16, 17, 18, oh sorry, 19, we don't have an 18 socket, 20, 21, 22, 24, 27, 30, and then we have 32, which is really good for those of you who own Volkswagens, because obviously this is the size of most of your oil filter sockets, or oil filter housing sockets. So they've very kindly included it. For us Volvo people, unfortunately we still need our 36mm socket, so you'll have to buy that separately, but you do have fuel filter socket, which is nice. We've then got a number of extension bars here and T-bars. Once I click that in, everything clicks in here so well, like you could throw this around and it probably nothing will fall out. But yeah, we have an extension bar, T-bar here. This slides up and down, so you can use it as a T-bar or you can use an extension bar. This slides off as well, which is really nice. Various other extension bars here, and the 1/2 inch one here, and then we've got the 1/4 inch, and even smaller than that I think. We then have universal joints here, which again are lovely, well made, chrome vanadium finished, useful for going around corners. And we've got a, like I said, a 1/2 inch and a 1/4 inch there. We then have a smaller sliding T-bar, which again is useful for getting sort of purchase on the whatever you're loosening. And then we have spark plug sockets. This is a 21mm and this is a 16mm, and again really useful. Although this is a diesel, obviously any petrol vehicles, nice to have the two spark plug sizes, and really those are the only sizes that you're going to find unless you've got some weird car. Now you may have noticed that on the latches there are locks, and these are the key for the locks, and it works. The locks are genuine. I'm not sure how much they'd stand up. It'd be interesting to try and break into it and see if we can pick the locks, but yeah, it's a nice little feature there. We've then got a coupler, which obviously couples the two together, and then we have an adapter as well. We've then got the E-series, sort of Torx, semi-Torx, sort of the opposite to Torx, if that makes sense. Sockets here ranging from E4, E5, E6, E7, E8, E10, E11, E12, E14, E15, E18, E20, E22 and E24. So you're definitely not going to have any trouble with your ease there. And then we've also got these bits here that can fit into any sort of power drill or impact driver, and again these sockets ranging from 5mm all the way up to 13mm. So really nice comprehensive kit there. Then also what you'll see here is a bit kit, and for those of you who've watched the channel for a while, you know that I carry one of these in my car anyway. It's a Makita one actually, and this one is essentially the same, but it's just really nice to have it in a space that slots into this toolkit. Like I said, you can grab this toolkit and do pretty much any job you will ever need. And as you can see, there is Torx, there's Phillips, there's flathead, there's hex, there's everything in here. So yeah, really useful. And anything that you don't have in this one, as I slot it back in nicely, you'll be covered in this vast array of bits here, but we'll get onto that shortly. We'll take a look at the next sort of nice little tool. That is the hex tool. So you have hex or Allen keys even for from 1.5 all the way to 8mm, which is really nice, really useful to have it as a tool as well, all in one. And it's nice that it fits in here. Like I said, I know I keep saying it, but this is a grab and go kit for any job. And then have a range of spanners starting from 6mm, 8mm, 10mm, 11mm, 12mm, 13mm, 14mm, 15mm, 16mm, 17mm, 18mm, 19mm, and like I said, these are finished in chrome vanadium. And the nice thing is that they're satin rather than chrome finish. So what you find with the chrome ones is that when they get oily or they get wet, then your hand slips on them and they're just an absolute nightmare. So having it as satin gives you that little bit of extra grip, which is really nice. We then have a screwdriver and a full screwdriver kit. So this is just a nice Makita screwdriver. Everything in this kit is made so well, it's really sturdy. As you can see, I'm having trouble getting it out with one hand. Makita there, nice soft handle, pretty solid as well. Is that going to focus? Of course it's not. So yeah, quality is excellent on this. Oh, there we go. So, and then we've got basically every bit you'll ever need. We've got all the Phillips moving up there to flatheads and everything like that. Then got all the Torx bits as well, any sort of funky size you may need. And then this is where the OCD is probably off the charts for a lot of people, is these sort of clip things here. You can actually remove them as well, which is really nice. So you have all your any bits that you may require are covered in here, and I'll get both of them in the shot so it doesn't take ages going through them all. But as you can see, you're never not going to have a bit for something. It's pretty awesome, if I don't say so myself. And I've never actually seen these sort of H bits here, or these triangular ones. It's a bit odd, but yeah, I'm sure we'll find a use for them at some point. So yeah, we finally then got these magnetic holders and magnetic screw guides, which again is just something that you can use to get extra purchase on things. But as you can see, guys, this thing is a beast, and you can find it anywhere between 100 and 200 pounds. So definitely something that's worth investing in. And I think tools are always a good investment. You'll always need them, and you think how much money you could save on dealer stuff if you did all the work yourself. So say if I did the oil change on here myself, like I do, I save over £100 from going to the dealer. So that £100 I can then invest in the tools to save more money doing other things like the fuel filter and the coolant and things like that. So yeah, it's definitely worth investing in your tools. And like I said, these ones, as you can see, they're all made to perfection. It's like a, yeah, it's really nicely crafted, quality materials. And like I said, this isn't a paid ad, this is just a bit of appreciation for tools. And I don't think I've ever seen a bit kit that is perhaps this well stocked. So yeah, definitely an awesome investment, and definitely something that I'm going to be getting a lot of use out. So big thank you to my girlfriend. I've told her already, but in case she watches this video, for getting me this. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas. The last few videos have been sort of pre-recorded, so I haven't had a chance to say Merry Christmas apart from the Merry Christmas video. So I hope you had a fantastic time, and yeah, we're looking forward to 2021. Enjoy this period between Christmas and New Year, because it is sort of the best time just to sit around and do absolutely nothing. So yeah, look forward to next year. We've got plenty to come. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.